Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we're 2016 Renault Clio, stock number 6831. It's ran from the 9th 2013 to the 10th 2019. It's an M5N, 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the M5N 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch FWD mega tyre, left hand taillight minor sun cracks, rear tailgate no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 18-inch FWD mega tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch FWD mega tyre, right front door guard, right front visor switch, center console lip, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,